So I am going to assume that you guys already have Node.js um, installed on your computers. Now, I put Node.js in my program files on my Windows 7 machine, but I didn't put it on my Windows 10 machine. I put it in a different folder, like I showed you last week. But anyway, this is in my program files, and I also have my Node.js. I made another file here, another folder called our class, because as you can see, I have a lot of stuff in here that was um, Express and all kinds of other applications that I made in our last class a couple of years ago. So what I want to show you is, let's first go to make a folder file called app.js. And what you should do is this code right here. So we're going to make a constant, and we're going to declare our variable amount as 12. And so if our amount is less than 10, it's going to say small number. If it's more than 10, well, you know this kind of if statement very well. But we're just demonstrating this. This is our Node.js in our command line. So what you got to do, of course, is to run this. Go up here into your folder and type cmd. This is the way I do it. And then you have to run the program, you have to type node, the keyword node, and then the name of the file. You can type app or app.js. Both of them will work. See, so you can also do this, and both of them will work. Okay, so that's that. Now, let's look at the first one up here, what we're going to do. Okay, same one. Oh, should we go to 2? Sorry. Trying to keep everything numbered. And this is another one where we're doing a node can be accessed from anywhere in your application using globals. These are globals, dir name and require file name. You can probably guess what these are for. The module gets you information about the current module. The process gives information about the environment where the program is being executed. And so these are the main globals that we're going to use. And we're going to use dir name. So we'll find out what the dir name is. And we're going to use a set interval function. And 1,000 means just 1 second. Well, 2,000 would be 2 seconds. So every second we're going to print, and our console.log is how we print in Node.js. We're going to print hello world. So let's try that. We're in number 2. So let's try node 2. And every second it's going to print hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world. Just to show you that it works just like any other programming language. It's doing a loop through hello world. Control C, back to our command line, CLS. And let's go to number 3 here. Show you what's going on in number 3. Okay, so we're splitting up our files here. We have too much stuff in one file, all right? So we did put everything in this one file, and we invoked our function of say hi. We have a function called say hi, but it's no longer in this file. We put it somewhere else. So to lessen our confusion here, let's just get rid of that. Okay, we started a simple function with a name parameter, and this is it. And the rest of our stuff is in this file, 4 names. And then we're going to come back here and run 3.js. We're going to run 3.js, but all of our stuff is in 4 names. Now you're going to have to use the require keyword like you just saw in our globals. This is one of the globals, and it's a keyword. And what we're going to do is when you call a file, we're calling a file, you have to put the dot here and then a /. And if that file is in another directory, either further down in closer to the root, like if it's 2 directories up, you have to do that. Anyway, let's save that. And we're going to, where's our names directory? Right here. So now all of our stuff, let's just pretend we got a lot of stuff in here. And it's going to go, we're calling it from this file. All right, so I just have 2 names, Larry and Daryl. And those are our 2 names. So to get this into this file, we've got to use the export module and export built into Node. And this is the syntax, curly brackets. Okay, so let's go ahead and run 3. Node 3. It looks like I already did that. Node 3. So we have Larry and Daryl. And that's our introduction to modules. Another thing in Node.js, files are modules. Pretty much everything is a module. So where am I? Okay. So everything's a module in Node.js files, and we got to use the dot and then the / and just check out the syntax. And we have our names, and you have to export whatever's in here to this file. Okay. And also, we're going to do something with our utilities. And in a minute or two, we're going to do this a little bit later. So we're exporting our utilities and our functions and all that. Okay, so we can also import our functions and have a separate module file for our functions as well.